Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Shisha Creative. So I've been shopping and buying a lot of fish. So I'm actually banned from not going to aquariums anymore by my family. So I don't know what to do. I actually didn't know what to do. So the next thing what I'm planning to do is try my hands on planted aquariums. Uh, I think we will start with planting in a bowl. So I've collected a lot of water plants from Pondicherry, of course. So I'm going to use some of those plants in this bowl, and let's see how the scape is coming out. And we are going to have a pair of Danios in the bowl because I think it'll be too much for betas after it is scaped. I think it'll be too much of there may not be space for the beta to swim around easily. So I'm just going to have a pair of Danios in it. But if you think what I'm doing here right now, I'm actually playing with my guppy fries. Do you all want to see it? Oh, they are so cute and small. I just love putting my hands inside and playing with them. So let's go and see how the planted aquarium turns out to be. Let's go. Okay, the materials that I'm going to use are some gravel, some moss. This is Amazon soil, and this is river sand. It is a refined form of river sand. The bowl, and we are going to use some rock here as well. So first, what we are going to do is stick the rocks together. So I'm going to use some cotton and flexi glue to stick the rock together. So the idea of this scape is to give a caved look inside the bowl. So I want a small cave beneath the bowl, and above the cave there is going to be a lot of plants. So that is the idea of this scape. So let's go ahead and see how it turns out to be. So after I stick the rocks together, I'm going to start, sticking the moss. So the moss that I'm using on the rock is Java moss. So once the moss is stuck on the rock, let's just spray some water on it so that by the time we do the bowl, let it not dry up. The moss has to be like really wet always. So once the rock is ready, let's do the base of the bowl. So in the base of the bowl, I'm going to use gravel just to heighten it a little, to give it a little height. So till it comes to a certain level of say 1 inch, I'm going to fill it with gravel. So then I'm going to add some Amazon soil to it, because since we are going to plant a lot of plants in it, we need some Amazon soil also. So I'm going to put one layer of Amazon soil and then fill it with gravel again. After that, we are going to place the rock inside. Before placing the rock inside, I'm going to even out the gravel so that we have a steady base for the rock to sit in properly. Now I'm going to place the rock inside the bowl very carefully without hitting on the glass or making a scratch. I have to actually place it really carefully because the rock is like really heavy. And now I'm going to just position it in a way that it looks really good inside the bowl.
Next, I'm going to put some more aquatic, that is the Amazon soil. So, Amazon soil is actually the aquarium soil that you use inside water. So, there is a special soil just for aquariums. So, I'm using that soil, and let me just even out that also. On top of this soil, I'm going to add some river sand so that the scape looks really good and the soil is not seen outside. Once the river sand is also added, I'm going to fill in some water to see how the scape is looking, and then we are going to add all the plants. So when you're actually filling in water, the water has to be sent in really slowly. So I'm just going to use a very, I think it's just 2 millimeter hose. So in that I'm going to send the water in really slowly. So I'm going to just sit and relax till the water gets filled, and there will be dirt particles that come up to the surface of the water. So you take that out with a net, and after that you can change the water 2 to 3 times until the water is crystal clear. But before changing the water the final time, we can add the plants as well. Now to add the plants, we can use tweezers, and the plants have to be inserted into the soil really gently without disturbing the sand or the scape that we have already done. The plants that I have used in this scape are Vallisneria, hornwood, and grass. And I have used another plant like the foxtail.
I think the scape came out like really good for the first time itself.
Do leave your comments and suggestions below.
Hope you'll enjoyed this video. Keep watching for more. Like, share and subscribe if you like the videos. Bye bye.